What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So we are almost just 4 days away from the Samsung Unpacked event, and it will be unveiling its Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4. Now we know a lot of things about these handsets, such as its specifications, features, and also what kind of looks and they will be featuring in the official renders which we have seen earlier. But in the past few days we have still no idea how does the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will look in the real life. Now, well, that will be changing today, as the first real look live of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is here, and it's in the blue color option. And at the first glance we see that this phone is pretty much identical to the Z Fold 3, but there are some notable changes. First of all is that the cover display is now much more wider, and it's wider than earlier, so it will be more convenient to use that smartphone when compared to its predecessor. Now, apart from that, the hinge is also being smaller in this smartphone, which means when you open the smartphone, then you can barely see the hinge. Apart from that, the camera do look similar towards the camera alignment as the previous smartphones, but what's new with this camera alignment is going to be that it will be coming with a Samsung best ever 3x optical zoom, even better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now note that these changes are also similar to with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it will also be coming with the same amount of a less hinge and even the better borderless design. Now talking about some more interesting software features about this smartphone is that there were earlier the multitasking was on the left of the smartphone, but now it's coming towards the bottom of the smartphone, which will be more convenient to use the smartphone. Well, not only that, the phone will also be 8 grams lighter than its predecessor at 263 grams. Now, what do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.